Good morning, everybody. This is Guillermo with Live Trading with Guillermo. So I've been kind of sick for a couple days, and I didn't get a good chance to record a video for you all. Just wasn't feeling that great. But I managed to pull through last night. As you saw in my video, I was Santa G at my kids' event, so that was pretty funny. I got a couple emails from you all, so I thought that was funny. But yeah, so this morning I decided to wait about 30 minutes after market open, and I think this is the strategy going forward. I like trading, trading overnight works, but you have to be a little bit more conscious of your bar size, because volatility is lower, volumes are lower, and you got to be thinking about your profit targets if you want to make them tighter and all of that. So lately I've been finding success after the market open. So this morning I waited 30 minutes, got the Ripper 1. A couple things I made, a couple changes. So I'm still keeping my 20 tick profit target, but my stop loss I kept it at 40 ticks. And the reason I did that is I found that I was getting stopped out. I had it at 30 ticks before, so even though the bot would take a trade, a good trade in the right direction, if there was movement in the bar, I would get stopped out, and then the trade would continue, and it would have won. So this time around, I decided to give it a 40 tick stop loss, and with the idea that our trailing stop would keep us from doing a full 40 tick loss, right? That's the idea, and that seems to be working. The second thing I didn't do this morning is I forgot to turn off my kill switch. So I was literally not at my desk. I went and dropped off my kids at school, went to Starbucks, came home, and I was up 670. But looking at the video, it looks like the software was up over 700. Then it dropped into the 400s, and then it recovered again. So hindsight being 2020, I need to keep my profit kill switch. Since I'm only running one instrument, 2 contracts, I think 600 would have been a good amount. 700, I think it's probably on the top end for such a short time. It only ran for an hour and a half. But when I run the Ripper 1, I like that sweet spot. 600, 700 is nice for a daily profit. That's if you can generate that consistently, then you're in the money, right? Because that's a sweet spot that you want to be. Now, if you run 2 instruments and additional contracts, then definitely you want to go for a bigger profit target. But running a single instrument, 2 contracts, your 500, 600, 700, that's a good range to be in. So hindsight being 2020. That's what I should have done. Luckily, the software recovered and got me back up to 670, which is still really good. Very happy with those results. So that's pretty much it, you guys. Today is Friday, December 16th. I will be looking to post some videos next week. So sorry for being gone, not posting as much this week, but it was a nice little break for you all, and then a little break for myself just to recover, but definitely feeling better. Other than that, don't forget to get your 80% off Apex account. That's still going on until the 20th. So that's going to be pretty good sale going on for a few days. So have a great weekend. I will see you all on Monday. So take care now.